phone is usually the thing keeping you awake with doom scrolling, but what if it could actually hijack your brainwaves to send you into a psychedelic trance? Think about holding your phone up to your closed eyes while the flashlight strobes in a rhythmic, calculated pulse. This is not a glitch. It is an intentional attempt to bridge the gap between being wide awake and falling into a deep dream. The Lumenate app is turning heads because it promises a shortcut to a meditative state that usually takes years of practice to master. Most people find traditional meditation frustrating. You sit there trying to clear your mind, but instead you just think about your grocery list or that embarrassing thing you said 5 years ago. This technology changes the game by giving your brain a physical anchor. As that light flickers against your eyelids, your brain begins to synchronize with the frequency of the flashes. This is a process called neural entrainment. Suddenly, you are not just sitting in the dark. You are seeing shifting geometric patterns. You see vibrant bursts of color and strange flowing shapes. These images feel like they belong in a high-budget sci-fi movie. It is bizarre to think that a simple smartphone light can trigger such intense internal visuals. Some users describe it as a legal digital trip. You are totally conscious, yet you are watching a private light show generated entirely by your own mind. For the restless among us, this is a massive relief. It forces the brain to stop its constant chatter. There's something much more interesting to focus on now. Your internal monologue gets drowned out by the sheer intensity of the light and the accompanying soundscapes. However, the experience is not the same for everyone. You might find yourself in a state of pure bliss. You might feel every muscle in your body finally let go of its tension. On the other hand, you might just feel like you are staring at a broken lamp. It is incredibly subjective. Your current mood and how tired you are can change everything. Even the way your eyes perceive light matters. Some people walk away feeling refreshed. Others just end up with a nagging headache or a feeling of overstimulation. It is a lot for the senses to handle at once. If you have a history of light sensitivity, this is definitely something to approach with caution. Then there is the cost. Like almost every piece of interesting software these days, the best content is locked behind a paywall. You get a little taste for free. If you want to dive into the deeper journeys, you have to shell out for a monthly subscription. This raises the question of whether a digital light show is worth the price. For those who have cracked the code and found a way to reach that elusive flow state, the cost might seem small. They see it as a portable mental health tool. For others, it feels like a gimmick that loses its charm after a few tries. It is a weird intersection of technology and wellness. It proves how easily our biology can be hacked. We are basically organic machines that can be recalibrated with the right frequency of light and sound. It is fascinating and slightly unsettling all at once. You are using a piece of glass and metal to explore the deepest corners of your own consciousness. Whether it becomes your new favorite way to unwind or just another app you delete, the concept is bold. It pushes the boundaries of what we expect our devices to do. Instead of just delivering stress, your phone becomes a portal to a different state of being. It is a strange flickering world behind your eyelids that is waiting to be explored if you are willing to take the risk.